was looking at the old G over here, and I noticed, ooh, sexy blue, sexy blue. Lights off, no more sexy blue. I noticed the power steering. What do you want, Blazer? What do you want, Blazer? I noticed the old power steering was looking a little low. So I figured, stretch it out, stretch it out. I figured I'd upload a video on this because I actually haven't uploaded a video on power steering fluid at all. So if you look here, this is where the power steering reservoir is actually located. And you can see my Infiniti catch can just, you know, hanging out right there. So if you look, there's actually lines on here that tell you where the cold minimum is. Let's see if I can focus in on it. See, there's the cold minimum and the cold max. And if you can tell, mine's definitely below the cold minimum. And I've filled this up before, I just haven't made a video. Blazer, quit humping my leg. I made a video on this before, or I've done this before, but I just haven't made a video on it. So I figured this would help you out. So here's what you guys need. I just take a syringe, honestly, and a little tube, and I'm gonna suck out all the fluid out of the reservoir. First, changing the entire unit, and then I just keep doing it till it kind of gets clean. So I'll do it like once or twice, and then refill it up, because there's a lot of fluid in this that I won't be using. So, and with the holidays, there's a lot of five-finger discounts going on, so I kind of got carried away. And as I was looking at the Lucas, I don't know. I'm just going to stick with what I've always done. Castrol. I use Castrol engine oil. I've always used Castrol for everything. They used to have a Castrol power steering bottle, but I couldn't find it anywhere. So I already know that the power steering fluid is really just ATF fluid. Was it Mercon 3? Or not Mercon, Dexon 3 and Mercon. And don't take my word for it. I'm just a YouTuber with some people that follow me. Here, jump into my phone or look at that factory service manual and I'll show you. All right, let me switch cameras here so I can use two hands, the old mouth camera. Old fashioned, it's like the old iPhone. Look at that. Bam. All right, so let's get ourselves a little light. There's your oil, like I was just telling you, this is a power steering reservoir. Just pop the cap off. And then, you know what's funny about this? I'm just gonna keep sucking this out and replacing it until it gets new fluid and use up this bottle. I actually figured out a way, like this clutch fluid, remember how I was telling you guys how to flush it? Because it kept getting black. I accidentally, when I put on that new slave cylinder, I left the washer off, so it's been slowly leaking. That actually worked better than trying to flush the whole system out. Just over time, just keep refilling it, refilling it, refilling it, and it finally got it all out because that clutch slave cylinder, the line that's like this, it is really like curled and long, and it takes freaking forever. So I think I might upload a video on that, but anyways, try to keep on track here. So let's take this syringe. Yeah, do this, I use those hands. And my fat ass was eating some pie, so here's a little peach pie. I'm just gonna dump it in this little container, you know, make use of it. I guess I'm going green, right? So let's put this here. Yeah, well, anyone else see this, you're like, oh man, look at that drug addict out there, dude. Oh yeah, this is a little, it's a little neon green. I mean, that kind of looks like it's getting its rave on. Let's see here, suck this out. Wait, hold on, let me open up my pie container first. My technical fluid draining tool here. And let's do this. Actually, it looks like a vial. It looks like a vial of blood. It actually doesn't look that bad. That's all it's gonna suck? What? Nuh-uh. Alright. And you know, I should have fucking grabbed a rag. God damn it. This'll work. So this is, ew. Oh. I'm gonna empty this shit out. Well, there you have it. It's a power steering pie. $4.99. There you go. Yeah, but I changed this probably. See, this is when I was in Albuquerque. Actually, that's probably been a good 6 years, honestly, to tell you the truth, since I've changed this. So let me dump this shit out. No, I'm gonna use that fucking cup. This'll work. Oh, it'll work. Call me a trash digger. See? Everyone likes to turn wrenches in this garage. Got some window tenners. There's the old sexy girl. Bam! God damn. Actually, this cup made a lot more sense than that peach pie. I don't know what I was thinking there, but whatever. This works. Until it's over. I think I just used a clear container to show how nice and red it is, but shit, this actually works just as efficient. So let me see. Yeah, man, it looks like blood. It looks pretty healthy. All right. See, barely. Oh, I think a little bit more. Oh, look at that. Look at that skill, right at cold max. So I'm sure you guys probably already know this hack, you know, the turkey baster or whatever you use to go ahead and pull the fluid out and then let it recirculate and then just keep putting new one in until this bottle's really empty. And I mean, that should pretty much flush it instead of actually doing a real flush. So hopefully this hack helps you guys out. I'm sure you guys have probably already seen this one, but I don't know. I know I haven't ever uploaded a video on it. And you know, I'm too lazy to go and look and see if anyone else ever did. So you guys always want to know what I did to my car or how I keep it the way I do. So there you have it. And there you go. Wow. Till the next one, dude.